Hello, I'm Marcelo Costa, and today I'm going to guide you through the download and installation, step-by-step, of AIRES Studio, as well as how to activate your license and start using it right away. First, visit our official website, aires.studio, where you'll find the latest version of AIRES Studio available for download. Then, just select the version that matches your operating system, Windows or Mac OS, and click here on Download. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation on your computer. With AIRES Studio already installed, it's time to activate your license. When you open the software for the first time, you'll see the screen. If you already have your license number, select Activate License. Enter your license number in the field provided and click Activate. Done. AIRES Studio is now active and you can start exploring all its features. And that's it. See how easy it is to install and activate AIRES Studio? If you have any questions, visit our support page or contact us directly. See you on the air.